Hi, I'm Amanda Sutherland, and today I'll show you how using infographics can enhance your brand message and engage your audience. Infographics are a powerful tool to present information visually, making complex ideas easier to understand. They help you communicate key messages quickly, and their visual appeal increases the likelihood of them being shared. Start by choosing a clear, simple topic that aligns with your brand, then break it down into easy to follow points. Make sure your design reflects your brand's colors and fonts to maintain consistency across all platforms. Take a look at how brands like HubSpot use infographics to deliver data and insights in an engaging, digestible way. Infographics can also help position you as an expert in your field by providing valuable content that educates your audience. Don't forget to include your logo or website link to ensure your brand is recognized when your infographic is shared. Want to create your own infographics? Download my free template and start crafting visuals that elevate your brand. Thanks for watching. I'm here to help you simplify branding and use visuals to enhance your message.